Willamette State University, PM Weather with student meteorologist Norman Shippey.
Good evening and welcome to another edition of PM Weather. I'm student meteorologist Norman Shippey. We had some snow this morning that gave way to some clouds, and we're going to start seeing some sunny skies come tomorrow, but some cold temperatures coming with it. We see 32 degrees today was our high, 24 is our low, and our normal high is 36, so we were below that, and our normal low is 11, so we're above that. 0.12 inches of precipitation equivalent for our snow that fell today. Outside, we saw our sunrise this morning at 6:28 a.m. and set this evening at 5:32 p.m., and our moon is at 68% and waning. We had a full moon last week with a total lunar eclipse. Temperature outside right now 25 degrees, our dew point is 18 degrees, and our relative humidity is 73%. Our winds are from the northwest at about 8 miles per hour, and our sea level pressure is at 29.33 inches and rising slowly as we have high pressure starting to move into the area. Around the region right now, we see 10 degrees on Mount Washington, 31 in Concord, 39 in Boston, 40 in Providence, so the East Coast is rather mild. But as you move out towards the west here, we are seeing some peaks of sun, but 19 in Burlington, 24 in Glens Falls, and 24 in Albany, so some colder air, and that's going to move its way towards the east, and we're going to start getting cold as the night goes on. Around the U.S. right now, here's that cold wedge of air, single digits and teens in this area of cold air. 20s in our area, 30s as you get down towards Virginia, 40s as you get down towards Georgia, and only 50s today down towards Florida. Very cold day down in Florida. And on the west coast, some 40s and 50s out towards California, 60s and some 70s down in Southern California. That's probably the nicest place to be this time of year, even though it's a desert. It's kind of warm. On our satellite and radar composite right now, we see this actually wedge of cold air. You can see it in the clouds right here. The precipitation that was going on is starting to exit our area, and the northern mountains will start to see the snow start to taper off. And on the west coast, there's not too much going on in the way of precipitation. This low pressure system that's right here is going to move its way across, perhaps produce some snow showers tonight in North Dakota and South Dakota, and that's going to move its way across towards us by Friday, giving us some snow Friday night. On our surface analysis right now, we see high pressure pretty much dominating the area, but on our area we see cold and windy conditions. It's going to just get colder overnight tonight. We'll get down towards the teens and it'll be windy, so it's going to be a pretty chilly night outside. We see here's this stationary front that's located right across kind of the midsection of the country, goes up into Canada, and this is going to develop a wave across it, and that's going to have a low pressure system start to develop, and that's going to come towards us by Friday. We see this right here. By tomorrow, here's that low pressure system in a warm front, and this is going to move its way across. But here in the northeast tomorrow, we're going to be cold and windy as we have some cold air coming down from Canada, and that wind's not going to die out anytime soon, so we're going to have to worry about some wind chills come tomorrow night. So tonight's low temperatures, minus single digits to single digits in this cold pocket of air. Teens and 20s as you get down towards the Carolinas. Really, really chilly air down for southern part of our country. 30s down towards the midsection of Florida, and 40s down towards southern Florida. On the west coast, 30s and 40s as you get out towards California. And the warmest place once again, Southern California, in the 50s tonight. Tomorrow's high temperatures, teens and 20s. We may not even make it into the 20s here in New England tomorrow. 30s as you get down towards Virginia, 40s as you get down towards North Carolina, and 50s and 60s in southern Florida. On the west coast, 50s in the northern part of our west coast down towards Washington and Oregon, 60s in northern California, and 70s in southern California, and look, some 80s getting into southern Arizona. And tomorrow night's lows, here's what I was talking about. We're going to have some very chilly temperatures around here. This might actually be too high, single digits. We might be in the minus single digits here, especially in the Baker River Valley. It might get pretty chilly out towards the airport here in Plymouth. Teens and 20s as you get down once again towards the Carolinas. 30s a little bit warmer tomorrow night in northern Florida. 40s and 50s down towards southern Florida. So it's still pretty chilly here on the East Coast, but the West Coast isn't as cold. 30s over most of it, 40s down in Southern California, and once again 50s in Arizona and Southern California. Your chance of precipitation in the northeast here, we're seeing these snow showers start to move out as tonight goes on, and that should give us some nice weather come tomorrow. But this area of precipitation is going to start moving its way across the country and come towards us by tomorrow night. So your PSU forecast for tonight, we see showers taper off, windy. We'll have about 14. Our winds will be from the northwest, about 10 to 15 miles per hour. Tomorrow, windy, but we're going to be clear and nice and sunny by noontime. 20 for high. Wind chills, though, will be around 0. So a pretty chilly day tomorrow, and tomorrow night, windy again. Cooler, -3 for a low, and wind chill to -20. So bundle up if you're going out tomorrow night. And your extended outlook, Friday, cloudy with evening snow, 23 for a high, 10 for a low. Saturday, clouds give way to sun, 35 for a high, 13 for a low. And Sunday, brilliant sunshine, 36 for a high and 15 for a low. We want to know what you think, so visit our new PM Weather website at vortex.plymouth.edu/TV. You can learn all about the student meteorologists here on PM Weather, and the first 100 households to fill out our new viewer survey will receive a free Plymouth State Meteorology bumper sticker, so don't miss out on this exciting opportunity. Have a wonderful evening, and I will see you next week. Stay warm.